Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I have a box right here. I already opened it. Well, my brother did because this, he just wants to do it before me. So I literally recognized the box like the last one was. So I was like, yes, it came in. And I might have told a few people, and I'm gonna do military police reenacting, so MP reenacting. I've already got like a paper to join a group with the MPs. It's the second ID, and they're also doing second armored, so they do both of that, and then they're also MPs. So I'm doing MP reenacting. Well, I'm gonna do the second armored part. I just need to get some stuff for ID, or no, second ID, my bad. So we got my trousers, they're a 34. So MPs did not wear frog skin at all. And then we have my M41 jacket. It's kind of heavy, but yep. Anyways, we got my M1911 holster. We have my second armored patch, so I can sew it on to, I already have another one, so I bought a second one so I could put on my M41 jacket, and then my my tunic, which is actually right here. So I'll sew it on the left sleeve as usual. And then we have an cap, an overseas cap, or side cap. Or you can call it a garrison cap. It's an armored version. You can see it's the green and white piping. It's very nice. And then we have the pistol belt. We have the strap. Well, it's basically it's a belt, but yeah. And then we have my tie for my tunic. And then we have my M1911 45 ammo pouch. And yeah, that's really it. And I got most of this stuff. Well, actually, I got all of this stuff from at the front. I do not have an MP helmet. They are super expensive. I am doing a yellow stripe MP, so you can see how different MPs have different helmets. I'll probably put it on the screen. So I'm going to be a yellow stripe, not a white stripe. A white stripe is part of a company, an MP company, and I thought being a yellow stripe, because I met a yellow stripe at D-Day, Ohio, being a yellow stripe looks cooler. Also, it's more interesting and satisfying to me. He was part of the second ID, and he was actually portraying in the second armored division. So I thought that was really nice. He said a few things to me, and yeah, that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.